Hey, hey, hey! Attention mga kapatrol! Get ready for an epic giveaway! Once Express Info hits 150k subscribers, one lucky winner will win the incredible Oppo Reno 11F 5G smartphone. Here's how to join. Step 1. Subscribe to Express Info right now. Step 2. Like this video. Then step 3. Comment anything good and positive about our idol Kai Sotto. Super easy. Just subscribe, like, and comment.
Washington Wizards with only undersized big men, giving Kai Sotto a chance to replace those undersized big men next season of the NBA. Washington Wizards does not have a legit 7-footer or above since the time of Kristaps Porzingis, and that was a 2022-23 season of the NBA, leaving the paint vulnerable against teams with legit big men like Denver Nuggets and Milwaukee Bucks. These two teams have one legit top-tier big man. Kai Sotto will definitely put a great impact to Washington Wizards by using his NBA-like moves to score and to defend his opponents around the basketball hoop. With Kai and Danny Avdija in the Washington Wizards, they will do their best to attack the paint and penetrate against stronger big men like Giannis Antetokounmpo, Karl Anthony Towns, Rudy Gobert, and Anthony Davis. Kai will be the new Kristaps Porzingis if Washington Wizards will offer him a contract to play for the team next season. Kai will also bring Washington Wizards to the higher spots of the leaderboard. At kung ma-realize ng Washington ang kanilang kakulangan ng big man, ay pwede si Kai na ang kasagutan sa kanilang problema. With Kai Sotto joining the Wizards, ay instantly magkakaroon ang team ng inside presence that will give their shooters like Jordan Poole more confidence to shoot dahil alam nilang meron silang isang legit 7-3 na kukuha ng rebounds in case of a miss. Kai will improve his skills more with the Washington Wizards when they do practices in Capital One Arena, their home court for the NBA games, and even improve when practicing drills. The Wizards is lacking a center player, and Kai Sotto is the best option to get in the free agency, kaya malaki ang possibility na kukunin ng Washington Wizards si Kai in the event na walang ma-draft na legit big man ang team. And if Kai will be in the Washington Wizards next season, it makes him the first homegrown Pinoy who ever played in the NBA. Kai is a top-tier big man that is an all-around center that can shoot, dribble, and defend, and is a valuable player if Washington Wizards will proceed him to give an NBA contract. Kai Sotto will dominate like Kristaps Porzingis, and he will score like Kristaps Porzingis. But obviously, Kai will get more rebounds because of his tall height at 7'3" in feet. And Kai will be also a great asset for Washington Wizards dahil maaasahan siya sa opensa at sa depensa. Bihira lang kasi ang katulad ni Kai na isang legit 7'3" pero napaka-skilled at napaka-athletic. Maganda rin ang kanyang shooting, which is ito na ngayon ang trend sa NBA. Lahat ata ng mga big men ngayon sa NBA ay tumitira na ng tres, kaya swak ang skill set ni Kai. Kai's package will help Washington Wizards by his great skills like his Eurostep and his fadeaway to be used against the top-tier big men in the NBA, at siguradong maraming mahihilo sa mga insane moves ni Kai sa NBA. At balitang NBA naman, nilampasan ng Boston Celtics ang Indiana Pacers sa Eastern Conference Finals upang gawin ang ikalawang pagbisita nila sa NBA Finals sa huling 3 season. Hindi nanalo ang Boston Celtics ng titulo mula noong 2008 nang talunin nila ang Los Angeles Lakers sa isang 6-game series, at ang organisasyon ay may pasensya na nagtayo sa paligid ng kanilang umuusbong na superstars na sina Jason Tatum at ang MVP ng Eastern Conference Finals na si Jaylen Brown. Mula sa Western Conference, Tinapos ng Dallas Mavericks ang Minnesota Timberwolves sa 5 laro at ngayon ay bumabalik sa NBA Finals para sa unang pagkakataon mula noong 2011 nang kanilang nakuha ang kanilang una at tanging titulo. Si Dallas Mavericks head coach Jason Kidd ay isang manlalaro sa kupunan na yon at 13 years na ang nakalipas at ngayon ay may pagkakataon na manalo ulit siya, hindi na bilang isang player kundi bilang isang coach. May ilang nagpapakita na ang natatanging backcourt ng Dallas Mavericks na mga manlalarong dominante sa bola na sina Luka Doncic at Kyrie Irving ay magiging diugnay. Pero ang front office ay gumawa ng isang kamanghamanghang trabaho sa pagdaragdag ng mga key pieces sa paligid ng All-Star Duo. At ang playoff run ng Dallas Mavericks ay tinulungan ng mga mahalagang trade noong February na sina Paige Washington at Daniel Gafford. At ang kanilang matalinong pagpili sa draft sa mga nakaraang 2 season na sina Derek Lively II at Jaden Hardy. Bawat franchise ay may natatanging landas sa paggawa ng kanilang kupunan. At narito ang isang sulyap kung paano nakapasok sa kupunan ang mga mahalagang manlalaro sa parehong mga roster. The Boston Celtics selected Jason Tatum para sa number 3 pick noong 2017 NBA Draft. Markelle Fultz, number 1, at si Lonzo Ball, number 2, were picked before Jason Tatum. The 6'8" wing has a top 3 recruit coming out of high school and choose the Duke Blue Devils over North Carolina, Kentucky, and his hometown school of St. Louis University. Jason Tatum missed 8 games during his 1 year at Duke dahil sa foot injury at nag-average siya ng 16.8 points, 7.3 rebounds, and 2.1 assists per game. And he was named to the ACC All-Freshman Team and was a third-team All-ACC selection bago nagdeklara ng draft. Jason Tatum had a monster rookie season and was named to the NBA All-Rookie First Team. His most memorable moment of his rookie year was a poster dunk on LeBron James during the Eastern Conference Finals in Game 7. I have that picture framed and hanging in my house. It was a big moment for me, especially just being my rookie year and in a game like that. Yan ang sabi ni Jason Tatum. Si Jason Tatum ay isang 5-time NBA All-Star, merong 3 All-NBA First Team selections, at nanalo ng gold medal para sa Team USA sa 2020 Tokyo Olympics. And he has been touted as the next young superstar in the NBA, and getting over the hump and winning a ring will solidify his status as one of the best players in the NBA.